Tension and friction. What is tension and friction? The place of science in society is given, and the question of its proper place will be debated and contested. This is as should be, because tensions and frictions are integral part of ongoing transformations and actually provided opportunities to explore the nature and further evaluation of science in society. Uses of science in society. Providing knowledge for innovation and economy is an essential aspect of the place of science in society. There are other uses of science. For example, to contribute the quality of life. It is probably better to speak of dimension along which the role and uses to science in society appreciate rather than of uses. So we distinguish the five main dimensions. So first is the innovation dimension. So this is ensuring economic competitiveness in the global marketplace, providing innovations and contributing to wealth and economic growth. The second is the quality of life dimension. So contributing health, education, welfare, and a valuable social order. The third one is the political dimension. So it is contributing to relevant debates, especially concerning future developments involving science and technology, as well as giving expert advice to policy makers and the public. The fourth one is the cultural dimensions. So it is respecting cultural diversities, conserving cultural heritage, developing communication skills, and intercultural dialogues. So lastly is the intellectual dimensions. So it is thinking about a good society, so the future of human nature and the sustainable development contributing to the quality of life. Cultural diversity. So cultural diversity is the quality of diverse or different cultures as opposed to monoculture, the global monoculture, or a homogenization of cultures akin to cultural evolution. The term cultural diversity can also refer to having different cultures respect each other's differences. The existence of cultural diversity ensures respect for all the communities that exist in a single society. Cultural diversity is a global demand that ensures progress to the human race. The role of cultural diversity in society is to help dispel negative stereotypes and personal biases about different groups. In addition, cultural diversity helps us recognize and respect ways of being that are not necessarily our own, so that as we interact with others, we can build bridges to trust, respect, and understanding across cultures. The well known diversity across regions and countries shows itself not only in customs and lifestyles but also in different diverse traditions in science system. The cultural diversity understanding science as an ensemble of different scientific cultures can easily be found going through the various regions. We find different ways of organizing research in different research cultures. And since there are different ways of integrating science in society cultures, there are different cultures from west to east, from north to south, between old and new member states, depending on history and traditions. In other terms, the cultural diversity is where a society or group is made up of many different people. These people are from different countries, races, and religions, and having different interests, skills, and beliefs. The absence of a common understanding of science and society issues at the level, similar to the absence of citizenship as a common identity. These cultural differences are, on the other hand, a challenge of unifications and for further steps towards a citizenship concerning science and society's issues. On the other, this cultural diversity can be regarded as richness. It offers the opportunity for experimenting with different forms of science and society relations in different cultural settings and for mutual learning from the experiences. It allows the possibility of making use of relevance and importance and orientates the design of procedures for how knowledge by giving the criteria of relevance and importance and orientates the design of procedures for how knowledge is to be assessed. Revival of excellence. The revival of excellence was already visible around 2000. and it was reinforced by the establishment of the European Research Council with its mission to support excellence. The German Excellent Initiative, the continuing emphasis on publications, indicators in assessments, and evaluations also strengthened this revival. While we have shown the relevance and excellence, or the choice of specific indicators for measuring excellence within danger and the pursuit for their relevance, science could lose their link to practice resulting from the pressure to publish in international journals instead of engaging in local environments and problem solvings. The excellence, however, relates to being better than others in some competitions rather than being good. Research team must be able to combine problem-solving capacities at a context-bound level and a more general theoretical level, which also leads to new requirements for the education and management. Societal significance of science, where technology has developed in close relationship to the convenience and prosperity of human life since before the event of recorded history. Science originated from natural philosophy and was supported by people's intellectual curiosity. The main objective of science has been elucidation of how nature is put together and operates, and it has developed as a separate entity from a technology. Societal significance of science in society contributes to ensuring a longer and healthier life, monitors our health, provides medicine to cure our diseases, alleviates acne and pains, help us to provide water for our basic needs, including our food, provides energy and makes life more fun, includes sports, music, entertainment, and the latest. After the Industrial Revolution, the separate path taken by science and technology began to move closer together. Significantly, the concept of linking scientific results to technology for utilization in society became prevalent after around 1850, which is when a chemical industry began to develop based on our utilization of knowledge about the chemistry and electrical technologies are based on knowledge about the electromagnetism.